Hello, I'm your professor, Monica Moore. Today, we're going to learn about vitamin D and obesity. Yay! Some of this can get a little bit confusing, so let's just take it step by step. First off, vitamin D is a fat-soluble micronutrient. It's produced through exposure of the skin to UVB rays. It's converted by provitamin D3 to previtamin D3 and transports through the lymphatic system into the bloodstream. Liver and kidneys are responsible for the metabolism of vitamin D. The liver converts D enzymes into a usable form while the kidneys convert it to calcitriol. Vitamin D then circulates in the bloodstream and is stored in the adipose and muscle tissues. So, if vitamin D is stored in adipose tissue, will blood levels be lower in people with more adipose tissue? Obesity and overweight affect 93.3 million Americans. A BMI of 30 or greater is considered obese, and it's also associated with an increase of adipose tissue. Due to this increase in adipose tissue, it can be susceptible to vitamin D deficiency. In fact, 58 to 84% of D deficiency rate is seen in recent studies in obese populations. Possible mechanisms for D deficiency in obese adults are less skin exposure to the sun, reduced intestinal absorption, altered metabolism of vitamin D, increased uptake of D from the blood into those adipocytes, and a dilution of the vitamin D in the bloodstream. So what do you think? Could there be a connection? Interested in learning more about the vitamin D and obesity connection? Look out for my IRB proposal and included literature review. Thank you for watching.